we take a plant for granted. A plant is alive, and a plant probably listens, and a plant will die. That's the thing. You know what my experience was? Those fellas was shooting a tree. Shooting a tree, like to get the range of the gun. Right? They didn't shoot too many. One day they probably shoot about 4 shots on the tree because they wanted to see how the capture was open. Right? So they shoot that big tree like that. And that tree, the next year died. And you will want to see there's this big tree dying with this gunshot. The point is, after that, we shoot 1 or 2 other trees. I started to look at it. Every tree that was shot in the forest, even one shot, died the same next year or the same year. So the plant life, while we're looking at the plant life as belonging to everything else, it is part of a living thing in our environment. And it reacts based on your response to it. If you clean it, it will grow. But while you're cleaning and you cut these smaller plants, they will die. That is very important. Now you want to put fertilizer in the plant?
Some people have done that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say they don't eat fruits until it drops to the floor.
Yeah.
And then that's when the only time they eat the fruit from the tree. Because they say if you go and pick it, you're killing the plant.
You understand? There was a human being trying to stretch their knowledge into too wide of a scope, where you actually preventing actually normal living. If you expecting a man have to live, if he can't live on vegetables, or he can't live on that, he have to live on meat.
Well, the interesting thing is, we have an appendix.
Yeah.
And our appendix was when we were like monkeys.
Yeah.
It would have been to digest fiber. But we no longer use the appendix.
Yeah.
And it could kill us because if it gets infected,
Yeah.
we die.